local governments that are very active in promoting their agricultural sector. So I can cite the organic movement in our neighboring island, slow food movement. So we've seen provinces that is really promoting marketplaces for their organic produce. So this I hope to see also replicated to other big local government units that hopes to promote their own produce. There are local governments that pass ordinances that buy only from locally produced products. So these also help their local farmers. So there are initiatives to that effect that can further promote agriculture production through the demand side.